Let us proceed. You can see there's a flashback in the hub of the needle. What you do, you pull back the plunger for you to withdraw the blood from the vein. You can withdraw the required amount of blood from the vein. Hello everyone, welcome back in today's video. In this tutorial, I just want to show you how you can simply collect blood sample from a patient. In today's video, I just want to show you a step-by-step guide in which you can simply draw a blood sample from a patient, a procedure known as phlebotomy. So before you start, make sure you gather all the necessary supplies that you need to perform the procedure. For instance, you may need a syringe, you will need a 21 gauge needle, you will need an alcohol swabs, you will need a marker pen for you to label the sample of blood. So you will need a disposable gloves for you to use as a tourniquet. You will need a cotton wool for you to apply pressure on the area where you have given the shot. You will need gloves for you to wear. You will need a hand sanitizer for you to clean your hands. So before you start, ensure that you introduce yourself to the patient, you gain informed consent for you to continue, and make sure you explain the procedure to the patient. First, make sure you clean your hands with the hand sanitizer. Make sure first you clean your hands with the hand sanitizer. Then what you do, you get gloves. Make sure you apply gloves first. Ensure that first you apply the gloves. Make sure you apply gloves first. Then what you do, you apply a tourniquet into the patient's hand first. Make sure you apply a tourniquet. Then what you do, you can feel and palpate the vein. First, make sure you can feel the vein with your non-dominant hand, especially the thumb, you can feel. Then what you do, you get an alcohol swabs. Make sure you clean the vein with an alcohol swabs. Then you allow the skin to dry for some time. Then you get a syringe. Make sure you remove the syringe from the packaging. Then you get a 21 gauge needle. You attach the needle into the syringe. Make sure you attach the needle. Then you remove any air bubble from the syringe. Make sure you remove any air bubble from the syringe. Then you get the patient's hand. So this is the antecubital vein in which we always collect blood sample. So this is how you are going to collect blood sample. You insert 15 to 25-degree angle into the vein. Then what you do, you pull back the plunger for you to withdraw the blood from the vein. So this is how you are going to go. Let us proceed. You can see there's a flashback in the hub of the needle. What you do, you pull back the plunger for you to withdraw the blood from the vein. You can withdraw the required amount of blood from the vein. Then when you finish, make sure you release the tourniquet. Then you get a cotton wool, you apply on the area where you have given the shot. You remove the needle from the vein. Then you instruct the patient to hold. Then make sure you cap the needle. Then what you do, you make sure that you label the sample of blood. Make sure you label the symbol of blood, full name of the patient, and sex of the patient. And finally, you can write the date. So this is how you are going to collect blood sample from a patient. I hope you find the video very helpful. So please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and give your comment to this video.